Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to contact Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser, head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box, type in Google Workspace customer support. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click on enter. Now from here you'll be brought to Google web results, and the one you want to click onto is from Contact Google Workspace, the top result here from support.google.com. And now this page here is going to show you how to contact Google Workspace support. So as a Google Workspace administrator, you can contact Google directly for support. Support options are vary depending on your subscription, but there's always a way for you to get in touch. So if you have Essential Starter Edition, you can contact support. You need to switch to your Enterprise Essentials Edition. Now, before you begin, ensure that you review and gather the relevant information before you contact support. For details, go to before you contact support, gather key information. So you can go and have a read of this. I'll just pop this up in another tab. Yeah, so have a read of this page here before you contact the support here. Now they got a step-by-step guide of how to contact support. So what you first need to do is sign into your Google admin console. Now this is at the top of the admin console. Click get help here. So if we scroll up here, there it is there. So click on this link. And now you need to sign in and go through putting in you've got the correct email and then put in your password and sign in. And then from there, in the help assistance window, describe your issue and click send. If a help article that relates to your issue is listed, click to review it. If you still need help, click search for something else and then repeat steps 3 and 4 and then continue to support and continue with the following steps. And if you already recently filed a support case, choose an option. Then from there, select the description of your issue and review the information, or click help me with something else, or I need more help. Briefly describe your issue and click send. Then click the option that best describes your issue and review the information. Select the channel you prefer to use for contact and your preferred language. Click start chat or submit.